carry God so I cannot. Steady increase in the commas.
What's up and welcome to or back to my channel. In today's video, we're getting into blonde curls. Short, not too long, just right on the length. Perfect look to pop out in spring, summer. Before we get into this video, I want to give a huge shout out and a huge thank you to Kiss Love for sponsoring today's video. This is their unit that you are seeing. And as y'all can see, it's doing what it needs to do, okay? Without further ado, let's get directly into this tutorial. Woo, child. Let's get into this unboxing. So we have our silk bag. We have our wig caps, our HD wig caps to be exact, but y'all already know we don't need those because we have something better. If you're not new here, you know. They also sent over some lace tape. I personally have come not to like lace tape. I feel like it pulls on your edges too much, but if lace tape is your jam, it's in there for sure. We have our lashes. Well, not my lashes, but some lashes. When the wig companies nail the lashes to put in, the game will be forever changed. We have a wig brush, spatula ended to be exact, and then we have our classic wig band. This is the unit itself. The lace is pretty big. I feel like it's 9x6. I'll put the exact specs on the screen, and if they're not there, then they will most definitely be in the description box. But as far as the construction, we have our side combs, we have our back comb, and then we have our drawstring, as well as the elastic band with our silicone backing on the other side for anti-slip technology. And this is the unit itself. Anytime I see very honey, very warm, very golden tones in a unit, in curls specifically, it reminds me of the 2000s Beyonce look. Like, that's what it gives me. Very yellow, very golden in the tones. We're gonna spray her down, see what it's hitting for when we put her on. And it is a middle part, but obviously can be styled different ways. And we're gonna get into that as well. First things first, y'all already know I'm putting on my trusty reusable glueless wig cap with the grip band on it. And for my foundation, I just did my to the back 2 braids, pin up the braid and clip it, because again, that's been my go-to when it comes to these wigs. We do not need to apply any more makeup because the makeup is just right. It is my color already. Love that for me. Now all we have to do is go in and apply more of the makeup. If you know, you know. This band is so ready for service, it won't even get out the way. But we're just gonna apply that wherever it's gonna be parted. I might do a side part demonstration, so I'm just gonna apply it all throughout the lace, especially on those edges. And when you have blonde hair, you wanna be careful not to get the makeup on the actual hair as I'm getting it on the actual hair, Lord. Moment of truth, let's throw her on. Oh my, let's plug the hot comb in immediately. Okay, so here's how we're looking so far. I'm gonna widen out this part just a little bit. And then we gotta get rid of this height in here. Oh duh, my comb wasn't all the way down the back. First things first, before we get into some styling, I'm just gonna, not the clip giving out on me. Oh, I'm gonna apply 1 layer of my got2b across the edges. Let her melt down, baby. And then I'm also gonna apply a little more of that makeup on my parting space. Boom. Nothing too crazy. I wanna show wet versus dry, so I'm just gonna start off by wetting down this side. No product yet, just water. And then I'm just gonna go through. Ooh, and this is why you always have to give your curly units a chance. It was looking spooky straight out the box, but when you wet her up, you're able to see the exact curl pattern. I can see it coming to life already. And then I'm gonna add a bunch more water. I'm also gonna add face framing. And I didn't wanna cut too short into the front because it still needs space to dry. Also, I'm gonna go in with this Garnier Fructis curl system, and I'm not gonna use the gel, but I do wanna use a little bit of the air dry cream as well as some mousse to help define the curls some. This stuff smells divine, do you hear me? Especially where you go in and cut, you wanna make sure. Ooh, that is so beautiful. Like I was saying, especially where you go in and cut, you just want to finger coil. Wow. Sometimes when you finger coil curly units and you drop the coil, it can get limp, but these are falling so beautifully. And y'all can see it in real time, like it's giving ringlet. Almost to where I want to finger coil the whole thing, but do I actually have the patience? Oh my gosh. Kiss love, y'all are right with me. So I'm loving these curls. Okay, so I'm not gonna do the whole thing, but y'all can see like it's doing something when the finger coils get introduced. So I am gonna go through and just randomly do some of the pieces just so that it can have that look, especially on the ends. Y'all know the girls love the finger coiled ends. Oh my gosh, these curls are gorgeous. That's impressive, not gonna lie. It's so funny because if I don't say anything else in a wig video, I'm gonna say impressive when I'm actually impressed. I'm gonna say it's doing what it needs to do because it be doing what it needs to do. And I'm gonna say, you see the material. Because sometimes things don't have to be explained. Y'all could just see what exactly what's going on, good, bad, or indifferent. And y'all see what's going on. I'm also impressed with this because a lot of times when hair has been bleached and processed with color, it can make the quality of the curls rapidly go down. But Kiss Love doesn't seem to be having that problem. Beautiful curls, beautiful, beautiful curls. And now I'm just gonna go into the top of the unit with my hot comb, even on the dry side. And I don't want it to be too straight at the top because curly hair is not meant to have super straight roots. So I'm not gonna go too crazy on that. But as y'all can see, these are the wet curls. These are the dry curls. So now let's finish defining her out. Not a lot, baby girl, just a little bit. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. The other side is doing it too. Oh wait, we gotta layer this up a little bit first to match the other side. We love to see it. Yes, sir. The key to a good finger coil, the keys are your product you're using, making sure it's laying flat against your finger, and then also the direction in which you take it down. So making sure it's smooth when you're wrapping it. And then I'm not gonna pull my finger down this way. I'm gonna slide it off in the direction that I want it to lay. And boom, baby. Perfection. Finger coils can be time consuming, but when done right, and when the hair is right, when the hair is acting right, it's worth it every time. This looks nothing like the unit that I took out of the box 5 minutes ago. Just saying. All in customization. All right, let's get into a fit that matches the vibe. Much better. Now we look like our hair. Let's see what the edges have done. It started air drying some, so it's getting bigger in the best way. Lace is melted. I'm not gonna do edges today. We're not doing edges. In one of the last videos I was saying, is it maturation? And I do think that has something to do with it. Realizing that sometimes it's good as is. And I haven't even had to add much makeup. This lace is really nice. I just need a little more makeup on that lace. But like I was saying about the lace, if you've seen my other Kiss Love videos, I'm always complimenting their lace. They know how to do HD blendable lace. And I like for that little height to be in the very front. So let's put just a little bit of edge control where we just put that hot comb. Red edge control, blonde hair, not the best combo, but we making it work. These coils, hello somebody. Why am I singing so much today to y'all? It's because the hair is hairing and it's giving springs. It's giving spring summer tease. And just like that, ladies, we have our install. Let's get into some styling, and I'm gonna show you some different styles that I chose to wear this hair in right here. In addition to the styles, I also wanna give you a 360, so let's get into the 360. And I also wanna show y'all what the lace looks like in the sunlight, what the color is also given in direct sunlight as well. Here's a close-up of that lace, and the longer it dries, the better it gets. This is the completed look. It's given take me to somebody's beach, take me to somebody's island immediately, because I need to be there. I love the way this turned out. If you told me it was gonna look like this when I first took it out of the bag, I would have made you out to be a liar, but this just goes to show with a little effort, you can have a look just like this. If you're interested in this unit, all of the information for this unit will be in the description box below. Be sure to check it out. Let them know Briana Tahari sent you their way, and it won't be long before we're back with another hair tutorial. Later.